never get your erection through what I want to disclose in this video. If you are a man, you want to live a healthy life, you want to perform well, you want to be the best version of yourself, please avoid this way of getting erection. And if you avoid this, your life will be the best. You will perform well and live a healthy life. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what you should never do to get erection and why you should never engage in such acts as a man, so that you will always perform well. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, endeavor to subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell to get you notified each time I publish a video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, never get your erection through what I discovered. Most men think that getting erection through this is the best way, but not knowing that this lead to early grave. This lead to maybe premature death to men, because when you do this, you may not know that it is affecting your immune system and also affecting your muscles, veins and arteries, and during your old age it can lead to cancer. And what is that? Never take any enhancement drug. Yes, any enhancement drug is not good. What is enhancement drug? Enhancement drug is a drug that you take to improve your performance as a man. And if you take this when you want to perform as a man, it will make you not to last longer in future. It will disorganize your body system in future. And during your old age, it will lead to weakness of your body, weakness of your veins and arteries, weakness of blood flow and blood circulation. And this can lead to premature death to men. So avoid enhancement drug. Instead of taking artificial enhancement drug, treat your self-infection. Eat the right food. Take natural fruits and vegetables. This can do the perfect work for you. But when you take artificial enhancement drug, it will disorganize your body system and also lead to cancer in future, because the more you keep taking this, the more chemicals accumulates in your body system, and accumulation of chemicals lead to cancer and also lead to weakness of the body during your old age. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. Endeavor to subscribe to be a member of this channel. Hit the like button and share this video to your friends and families. Make sure that you turn on the bell to get you notified whenever I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you favor. I wish you good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.